Welcome to the .NET interview community. I'm your host Nirbhay Chauhan, a developer, author, and a trainer passionate about leveling up the skills. Whether you are gearing up for an interview or simply want to deepen your understanding of the .NET technologies, you have come to the right place. I have authored several interview preparation books which are available on Amazon, and the links of these books are given below in the description box. So let's dive into today's question and see how we can tackle it together.
So friends, our today's question is explain the basic component of C# programming language. In this question, the interviewer is expecting that you will be able to count out some of the basic and the fundamental component of the C# programming language. So, as we all know that the C# is a very powerful and a versatile programming language that is built by the Microsoft. And here's the breakdown of its component in this video. There are many fundamental blocks in the C# programming language, and understanding these concepts is crucial for writing an effective and maintainable code in C#. So let's start with the first breakdown, that is namespace. The namespace is helpful in organizing the code into logical groups and preventing the name conflict. For example, we have system namespace, then we have collection namespace, and similarly we can see in other namespaces like Microsoft namespace is also there. So likewise there are many namespaces that are there to logically group the classes, and the uses of these namespace is done by the using keyword, and we type the using keyword and use the library which we are trying to access in our program. The next is classes. The classes is a blueprint for creating an object, defining their data, fields and behaviors, or the methods. So that are the classes, and in classes there are more fundamental elements that we are going to discuss further, but for now we'll discuss the fundamental elements that are fields, method, properties and constructor. The next is objects. The object is an instance of a class. They represent the specific entity with their own data. The next is data types. The data type is one of the most fundamental building block or the component of C sharp, and it's defined the kind of data a variable can hold. And as we have already learned that there are value type data type and the reference type data type. We will dig deeper into value type and reference type data type in our upcoming videos. Now these are the four, but we have more, so we'll discuss about the other one. The others are variables. The variables are like the name, storage, location that holds the data, so that are the variables. Then other fundamentals are operators. The operator that performs an operation on data that can be arithmetic, assignment, comparison or logical. The next is control flow statements. The purpose of control flow statement is to control the execution order of the code. Over here we can say if, else if are the conditional execution. Then we have looping, for, while, do, while, and then we have multi-way branching that is done via the switch case. The next is methods. Methods are reusable block of code that performs specific tasks. The next are the properties. The properties provide controlled access to the class field that helps us in encapsulation. And then we have events and delegate. The purpose is enables communication between object, event notify other object about occurrence, and delegates are type safe function pointers. The last one is the exception handling. The purpose is to handle the runtime exception with graceful. And over here we will be understanding about the try catch and finally block. So these are the fundamental building blocks of the C# programming language. However, these are not the just. As we progress, we will encounter more advanced features like interface generic link queue, asynchronous programming, which also helps us in building upon on these basics. And the question for today is, do constructor comes in the basic component?
So friends, there you have it. I hope you have gained some valuable insight from this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. And if you have any questions or want to discuss further, feel free to leave a comment below. Plus, let's connect. Follow me on Medium and LinkedIn for exclusive content. The link is given below in the description box. See you in the next video.